Hello everyone. This is the new chapter for your half-yearly examinations. This is the NCERT solutions of the chapter 4th, basic geometrical ideas. This is exercise 4.1. Let's see the solutions for this. Then the first question, you have to use the figure to name 5 points. So in this, the 5 points are D, E, O, B, and C. A line is this only, which is DB. Because if we see another ones, these are the rays. OC is the ray, not a line. Four rays. Four rays will start from OD, OB, OC, and this is also one of the ray. You can name it anything. And this is also the ray. Okay. The next is 5 line segments. 5 line segments are that start from the point and end on the point, which are not being extended further. So the 5 line segments in this are you can name it as DB, EB, DO, EO, OC. All these are the line segments starting from the point and ending at the point. Next is name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. These are the 4 points. You have to write all the possible lines starting from the A point. Let's say AB is the line, then AC, then AD, then B, C, BD, then CD, then name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. First is the AB, then AC, AD, then we can write it in another way as BA, because it is saying all possible ways. So we can write, we do not have to just name the lines, we have to write in on all possible ways. So BA, BC, BD, then is CB, CA also, and then is DC, DB, and DA as well. Okay. Coming to the third question, use the figure to name line containing point E. We have to name a line which has point E in it, which is the line AE. Always mention this as for line. Line passing through A. This line is passing through A, so we will name it as AE only. Then line on which O lies. O is lying on this line, which is CO. 2 pairs of intersecting lines. These are the lines AE, or you can like AD and CO, and another pair is FE and DE. Okay. How many lines can pass through one given point? From one given point, the lines that can pass through are the infinite lines. So these are the infinite lines can pass to the given point. From 2 given points, how many lines can pass? Only 1 line can pass from 2 given points. Okay. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. You have to draw the rough figures for each. So if I say point P lies on AB, this is line AB, and point P is lying on it. XY and PQ intersect at M. So this is XY and PQ intersecting at M. Line L contains E and F but not D. Let's say this is line L. It contains point E and F but not D. OP, OQ meet at O. So OP, it will be like an angle, OQ. Okay. Next is consider the following figure of line MN. Say whether the following statements are true or false in context of the given figure. This is the given figure MN. Okay. QMONP. Q, M, O, N, P are points lying on line M, N. Is this the true or false? It is the true point because when we extend it, because this is line, not line segment. So it is true. M, O, N are the point on line segments, true. O and N are endpoints of line segments, O, P. O, P के line segments के, it is line segment now, right? It is the line segment now. So it is saying M and N are endpoints of line segments M and true. O and N are not endpoints. O and P will be the endpoints of line segments. So it is false. Then M is one of the endpoints of line QO. No, it is also the false because it cannot be true. It will be one of the endpoint is Q or O. M is the point on ray OP. OP per M is the point. No, it is also false. Then coming to the G part, ray OP is different from ray QP. OP is different from ray QP. Is G true or false? Yes, true. This is different. Ray OP is same as ray OM. OP is same as ray OM, which is false. Then I part, ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. OM is not opposite to ray OP. It is opposite, so it is false. O is not an initial point of OP. O is not an initial point of OP. False. O is the initial point of OP. Then N is the initial point of NP and NM. True. Coming to the next exercise, 4.2. Classify the following curves as open or closed curves. Okay. First curve is the open curve. Second curve is the closed curve. This is open. This is close. And this is also close. Draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. Any of the open curves, you can take it from the above also, or you can just draw this curve, all are open curves. If I talk about the B, closed curve can be the square, can be the triangle, can be any. Okay. Draw any polygon and shade its interior. Let's draw any of the polygon. Let's draw the pentagon and shade the interior. Consider the given figure and answer the question. This figure, is it a curve? Is this star a curve? Yes, it is a curve. Is it closed? Yes. Illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. A closed curve, that is not a polygon. A circle. An open curve made up entirely of line segments. X. A polygon with two sides. Is it possible to draw polygon with two sides? It's not possible. Because polygon can have minimum of 3 sides. Okay. Then coming to the exercise 4.3. Name the angles in the given figure. You have to name all the angles in this figure. The angles will be, just a minute. Angle DAB, then angle ABC, then angle BCD, then angle CDA. This. 4 angles we have. In the given diagram, name the points in the interior of angle DOE. DOE ke interior we have A point. In the exterior of EOF, it is C and A. And also D, because D is here. On EOF पर है point B. Also E and O and F. because these are making the angles itself. Draw rough diagram of two angles such that they have one point in common. Let's draw the triangle. This is a line. One common point, that means like this. O. This is A, this is D. You can name anything B. So O is the common point of these two angles. Okay. 2 points in common means this is A part. For B part, it will be 2 points in common. COA and B. So in these two angles, O and B, OB are common points. In this, O is the common point. 3 points in common. For 3 points, we will draw it like this. Like this. So it is A, B, C, D, not this point, and O. So in this, we have OE, O, D, and B as common. Now D part, 4 points in common. We'll draw like this. These two angles which has A, B, C, D, and E. So we have 4 points as A, B, C, and O are the 4 points. One ray in common. If I draw E part, it will be one ray, which is this CO. Okay, CO is the common ray. Understood? Coming to the, okay, this is all about the chapter. We have these two exercises in this, so I hope you have understood this. Thank you.